So about a half hour ago, I started a build on one of my projects and got up and walked away so that it could build while I was doing something else. When I got back, I went to test my build, but it hadn't rebuilt at all. In fact, I can look at my console and see that the build resulted in failed after just 2 seconds. I clicked the button and walked away and didn't look at it. This is frustrating because I was planning on making use of that time. So what happened? There was an error. Let me double click to see. Um, this namespace player settings doesn't exist. You did the editor? I'm not using the editor. Let me open it up. Oh, look. I have a bunch of namespaces that have been added without me having decided to add them. This has caused an error and it prevented my build from working. If I simply save it, then now my build would run successfully. How do I stop this from happening? This is stupid, it's frustrating, and I never want it to happen again. The answer is it's a VisualStudio setting where it's automatically adding these namespaces via a setting in the Tools menu. I'm going to go to Tools, Options, open this up. In my options, you have all of these settings on the side. The text editor, if I open it up, I will go to the C# options and find the Advanced tab. As I scroll down, there will be a section called Using Directives. You want to uncheck Add Missing Directives on Paste. When you hit OK, this is going to prevent those namespaces from being added automatically. I'm sure there's situations where it's useful to have it added automatically, but in my case, this has happened probably half a dozen times now where my builds have been stopped from working because at some point, without my knowledge, a namespace that didn't work was added. So hopefully this helps you guys prevent this problem from happening in the future.